Tired of endlessly scrolling through Temu and still not finding what you need? I'm going to show you how to laser focus your searches within specific categories to find exactly what you're looking for. First, let's open the Temu app. Look at the bottom of your screen. You should see a menu button. It may look like 3 lines or say categories. Tap on it to open the category menu. Now, you'll see a huge list of categories. Let's say we're looking for a new summer dress. Scroll down and tap on clothing, then tap on women's clothing, then finally tap on dresses. Okay, now we're in the dresses category, but there are still tons of options. This is where the magic happens. Look for filter and sort options near the top. Tap on the filter icon. This is where you can narrow down your search based on your preferences. You can filter by price, color, size, style, and even customer ratings. Let's say we want a dress under $20 in blue and size medium. Select your desired filters and then tap apply. For even more specific results, use the search bar within the dresses category. Let's type in floral sundress and tap search. Now, you'll see results that are much more targeted to what you want. Floral sundresses, under $20, in blue, and your size. Don't forget to check customer reviews before making a purchase. Happy shopping! Now you can find exactly what you need on Temu in a snap. Like this video and subscribe for more Temu tips.